one, 2024 HILUX GRS. Upgrade by PRS. The first we replaced the fog lamp to a brighter one. 400% guarantee brighter compared to the stock. Okay? Next, we install hammer electronic stepboard. This is their new model. Light illumination. Everything is plug and play. With 1-year warranty. And also, for the reverse, we replace it to high power LED. See how bright. Also, we install hammer electronic roller lid on this unit, and also T-step. And also tailgate assist. Lastly, we upgrade the wheels to 18-inch using this is the TE37 ultra large PCD. This is their new model, the PM2. Okay. The difference between the PM2 and the PM1, the PM1 is the discontinued model without this stripe. This is the PM2. This is the MM color. Then for the center cap, we install the black chrome race cap. On the suspension on this one, we install leveling kit on the front. For the tires, we are using the BF GOODRICH KO2 tires. Everything's intact with the mud guard because the clients wants to have the mud guard installed, not removed. Okay. See the stance on this unit. More upgrades. This is by the way, this is the phase 1 upgrade we're doing. Phase 2, we're going to install cold air intakes and full exhaust system. Maybe we'll put under vehicle protection also on this unit and many more. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Stay safe always, guys. Bye!